So guys, we're on Burnaby Mountain right now. Look at the view. Video doesn't do it justice at all. But today, woke up around 7 a.m., 8 a.m. We all worked, put some music in the on the speaker, worked all on our laptops, all with the boys. Woke up in the basement and just grinded for a few hours. Today, basically what I did was I set up my ad account, looked at competitor ads, analyzed their ad copy, look at the text, the structures, the way. I started looking more on how to analyze the ads and structure them. But again, basically just worked for a few hours. Then we went to go eat, driving range to shoot some golf balls, and now we climbed this beautiful mountain. Isn't this the life? I'm telling you, you gotta get used to this. Just working a few hours in the morning with your boys, and then just going and traveling, experiencing some nice views like this. Way better than school, isn't it? Yeah, it's honestly crazy. No, but for real, the video doesn't do it justice, man. For real. It is absolutely beautiful. But at the end of the day, seriously, shit's gonna change, man. This is gonna be life. Yeah, I know. All the boys are saying the video doesn't do justice. It's a very beautiful view. I'm telling you, life is changing. This is gonna be it. This is gonna be life. I'm telling you. What you do is you wake up early. We went in the sauna too. Worked for a few hours on the laptop. Go throughout the day doing a bunch of fun activities. Then go home, maybe a bit before supper. You go back on your computer to work again. And then you go out at night. The thing is that all those days and years even of working in your basement, hours, that's not going to be forever. That's just the beginning. That's just the grind. Eventually, the life you're going to want and the life you're going to have is only working a few 3 hours, 4 hours max, and the rest of the day is to explore and travel. So if you ever feel like you're in a dirty life cycle, because I felt like that, where it's just every day 8+ hours in my basement, just in a dark dungeon. He went there, Mas climbed up. But I'm telling you, that's just the start of just the working in a dungeon 8 hours plus. That's just the start. After that, once results start to hit, life becomes like this, where it's just a few hours in the morning, get everything organized, get everything done, maybe make a few calls during the day. But besides that, it's just traveling and exploring. This is how life's supposed to be. Freedom and enjoying. You see, people today, I was called boring by my mom. And because yes, my life is boring at home, because that's what you need to do at the start. But once results start to come, trust me, I won't be boring. I'm gonna live a life. But they don't understand. They don't understand, and it's fine. They'll understand when you show them the results. But life will be boring. The grind is boring, yes, but wait for the results, and then you'll be called fun. And then you'll do all the bunch of activities during the day. Well, everyone's at their 9 to 5 on the middle of a Wednesday, bro. You're gonna be out here hiking beautiful mountains and seeing crazy views. It's amazing. It's honestly amazing. What? But yeah, hope this was some motivation that eventually again, hopefully this is motivation to make you realize that life will not always be boring. Just do the dirty work, do the grinding for days and months and years, and eventually, man, life will be like this. Just a little reminder. But yeah, soon I'm going to be posting the ads. and it's going to be good, baby. Anyways, keep grinding, and I'll see you at the top.